Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see your Roblox password. First, open the Roblox account on your mobile device. Here, tap on the three dots on your bottom right. Now, go to the settings. After that, go to Privacy. As you can see, there is no option to see your password. To fix it, go back and open Security. After that, go to your phone settings. On scrolling down, you'll find Google. Tap on it. Then select Manage your Google account. Here, go to Security. On scrolling down, you'll find your saved passwords. Tap on Password Manager. Now find your Roblox account from the given list. Here, you'll find your login details for your Roblox account, including your password. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.